Where do we put my kiss?
Right here on the table.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I brought my finger.
Oh, yo, did I win something?
Everyone, there's a fire in the classroom. Get in the classroom, pay and pal. Don't worry, class. We all done together. Here you go.
What the hell are you? Where do we put my kiss?
Right here on the table.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I brought my finger.
Oh, yo, did I win something?
Everyone, there's a fire in the classroom. Get in the classroom, pay and pal. Don't worry, class. We all done together. Here you go.
What the hell are you? Where do we put my kiss?
Right here on the table.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I brought my finger.
Oh, yo, did I win something?
Everyone, there's a fire in the classroom. Get in the classroom, pay and pal. Don't worry, class. We all done together. Here you go.
What the hell are you?
Don't stop that, you shooter. We're not going down without a fight.
No, I'm a cop. Ow! Wait! Ow! Stop hitting me! Stop it! Ow! You're not gonna kill me! Stop it!
I want a piece of that ass.
I got a missed call for you. Are you okay?
What?
Help! We're tapping the bed!
Help!
Help!
Oh my God, find my telephone. Quick, put my phone under the door.
It's not gonna fit, Junior.
It's gonna fit. Do you not know your shapes? Put it under the door.
Alright, fine. I got a missed call for you. Are you okay?
What?
Help! We're tapping the bed!
Find my telephone. Quick, put my phone under the door.
It's not gonna fit, Junior.
It's gonna fit. Do you not know your shapes? Put it under the door.
Alright, fine. I got a missed
Because
call
I
for
can.
you. Are you okay?
Hey Jeffy, I left my queso at home. Can I have some of your spinach dip?
That's not. Robbie, why are you throwing up and screaming in class?
Well, it's about time you stop making fun of my vocabulary. It's how I talk, okay? And don't call me Nettie.
Sorry, Inez, but sometimes your vocabulary is bigger than you are.
Well, then here's a little word for both of you. Bye. Well, it's about time you stop making fun of my vocabulary. It's how I talk, okay? And don't call me Nettie.
Sorry, Inez, but sometimes your vocabulary is bigger than you are.
Well, then here's a little word for both of you. Bye. Well, it's about time you stop making fun of my vocabulary. It's how I talk, okay? And don't call me Nettie.
Sorry, Inez, but sometimes your vocabulary is bigger than you are.
That news reporter, sister. Let's give her a tour of the broom closet, brother.
Well, you know, if you would have caught the ball, when I threw it to you, and it would have got my cereal, it would have got dirty, and I would have told you to clean it, you would have gone over there. So you brought it.
Let's give her a tour of the broom closet, brother.
Junior.
What's up, Cody?
I have hand sanitizer.
You have hand sanitizer?
No, shut up, Junior.
Wait, you have hand sanitizer?
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do. You have hand sanitizer. Everybody, he has hand sanitizer.
No, I don't.
You don't cry.
No. You bunch of monkeys. What's the world coming to?
Not fair.
All right, Jeffy, what did you make?
I made a machine gun.
Oh, Jesus Christ, Greg! He finally knew it! Everyone in the just like we practiced! Someone call the cops!
I knew he was gonna do it. It's always the win here. I thought Cody was gonna do it. Get up the desk, Cody. Get up the desk. Not fair.
That sounds like that. Ah, there's a tornado coming, Greg! Everyone get underneath their desk for shelter! The Tasmanian devil coming!
Cody, does hiding under the desk really protect us from a tornado?
No, I'm pretty sure this is what you do for an earthquake. You're supposed to get in the closet for a tornado.
It's great. It's great. It's so great. It's actually cold. It's actually really cold. That's why it's like that. It's really cold. It's really cold. It's cold. Oh God, it's cold. Give me the onion. It's a tornado. It's a tornado. It's great. It's great. It's great. It's actually cold. It's actually really cold. That's why it's like that. It's really cold. It's really cold. All right. Oh God, it's cold. Give me the onion. It's a tornado.
My dear boy, it's strategy. If you go to the bathroom, the X9...
It's great.
Wait, this guy's coming.
It's great. cold. It's really cold.
I don't remember. I just thought it took you and then...